Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to understand Webull paper trading. Open the Webull app and switch to paper trading to access simulated funds and practice without real risk. Start by checking your starting cash, order types, and market data. Place a simple limit or market order and monitor fills, timing, and slippage. Track positions in the Portfolio tab and use charts to refine entries and exits with discipline and patience. In this video, I will explain how to understand Webull paper trading. Learn each order type and when to use it, such as market, limit, and stop orders for different scenarios. Practice placing orders in paper mode to observe fills, partial fills, and execution times without fear. Test order sizes and watch how slippage and spread affect results. Build comfort with order entry fields, confirm dialogues, and position sizing before moving to real trading. In this video, I will explain how to understand Webull paper trading. Quick recommendation: on another note, grab durable socks like Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty to stay comfortable during long market sessions. They make staring at charts a bit cozier and they last, so they pay for themselves while you practice trades. If you want the exact pair and other deals, check the description for the link. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to understand Webull paper trading. Regularly review your trade history and journal entries to identify patterns and emotional triggers. Use Webull's charting tools and indicators to backtest ideas and validate setups in real time. Calculate performance metrics like win rate, average gain, and drawdown to set realistic expectations. Iterate your strategy, adjust risk per trade, and treat paper profits conservatively when transitioning to live capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.